Assalamualaikum and good evening. We from Group 6 CS121G will present our group project, which is Dato's Bakery Shop System. Before further ado, let me introduce myself and our team members. My name is AIDIEL.
My name is MOHAMAD NAZHAN.
My name is NURIN IMAN.
My name is SHAZWANA BINTI SAARI.
To begin our talk of our project, let me introduce you to our bakery self-ordering system. Self-ordering system has become a sought-out system in many shops nowadays, and we decided to include it in our system as it has become essential in handling customers. Life as we know it is constantly run on time, and as a student or a worker, they might not have the privilege to stand around waiting for their orders to be taken. This is because they have a lot to do their own errands, running a busy life. Also, customers will rush their orders if they order at the counter as they worry about causing other customers to run late. And with our current plight from COVID-19, most people are ordered to maintain SOP in interactions. This is inconvenient for customers and employees alike. By using this system, customers can reduce the time spent to relay their orders to the counter, thus increases the efficiency within the bakery as it is less time consuming. What exactly does our system do? Our system will display login and the menu that is provided in Dato's Bakery Shop system. We have 7 sets of cakes, set A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, all of them with varieties of beverages and delicacies. The customers will have to pick their preferred set along with the quantity, and if the input entered is in one of the sets, they will have to re-enter the correct input. Our system will also ask if the customer wants to add another set. They can proceed to the next step by entering N instead of Y. In the next step, the customer will be asked if they have membership or not. If they answer yes, then a discount will be given. Incorrect input will be asked to be re-entered. After that, system will ask if they want any side dessert. They will pick 1 for brownies, 2 for pavlova, 3 for croffle, and 4 if they would like to skip side desserts. Incorrect input will prompt the user to re-enter their input. Next, the system will ask the customer if they would like to dine in or take away. There's no charges for dine-in, but there will be a charge of 2 ringgit if the customer chooses to take away. Lastly, the system will calculate all customers' order and print the receipt for them to bring to the counter for payment transaction. This system will repeat for next customer.
Now I will talk about project analysis IPO. Project analysis input. They have 5 main tools. The first one is module membership. User will input member and card. For module case info, user will input name and number. For module option, user will input option. For module add-on, user will input choice and the answer. For module first choice, user will input set, QTY, and answer. At the main module, we assign name has a 100 character, answer has a Y, assign duplicate to add-on some price, curse has a 0. While answer equal to Y is true, it will do call login. After that, it will call the choice, call membership, call add-on, call the option, call info, call total, and call receipt. Out of the while, it will calculate curse equal curse plus 1. And the model first choice we assign answer equal to Y, assign interval equal to 0. In the while loop, we assign QT1 equal to 0. And assign set A, B, C, D, E, F, and G into 3 strings. In the while, when user choose a case A, it will display the set A and the set price. It will happen also for B, C, D, E, F, and G. It will happen the same process as the case A. When user input other than A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, it will display invalid input and try again until user input the correct answer. Out of the loop, it will calculate total gain plus equals set price times QTY. In module membership, in do while if member equal to Y, discount 0.20. As if member equal to N, discount 0.00. When user input another than Y and N, it will display invalid input and try again until user input the correct answer. And the module add-on will assign answer equal to Y and then the add-on equal to 0. When answer equal to Y is true, system will do input choice. When user input 1, 2, or 3, they will get different price of the add-on price. When user input 4, they will get add-on price equal to 0. And the system will skip the while loop. When user input another than 1, 2, 3, or 4, system will display invalid input and try again. This will repeat until user input the true answer. Out of the while, it will calculate total add-on plus equal add-on price. In module K option, if option equal to 1, charge is 2, else if option equal to 2, charge is 0.0. Else display in the input and try again until user input the correct option. In module total, we assign service charge equal to 4, sum price equal to 0, after discount equal to 0. Pay after discount equal to total cake plus total add-on minus total cake plus total add-on times discount. Calculate sum price equal to after discount plus charge plus service charge. Project analysis output, they have three modules. The first one is module first choice. It will display the module menu and set price. For module receipt, it will display total cake, discount, total add-on, charge, sound price, name, and output. For module domain, will display the cars, how many cars have visited the system.
Next, 4.0 Project Algorithm Design. 4.1 Pseudocode. In main module, we assign them as 100 character and answer as Y. Then, we assign total cake, total add-on, and sum price. Also, we assign cast as a 0. While answer equal to Y, system will call login, cast choice, membership, add-on, take option, cast info, total, and receipt. After that, system will input answer and calculate cast equal to cast plus 1. Besides, for module login, system will display welcome to Datuk Bakery and our member name also value FCAS. In module cast info, system will input name and num food. In module menu, we assign 7 set using array. We assign in set A equal to 3 string which is lemon butterfly cake, rainbow smoothie, and lemon cupcake. In set B equal to 3 string which is sherbet green tea cake, raspberry smoothie, and custard tart. Then set C equal to 3 string which is strawberry night sky cake, hazelnut latte, and waffle. Then set D equal to 3 string which is witchy red velvet cake, kiwi smoothie, and cheese tart. Set E equal to 3 string which is blue ocean cake, ice blended vanilla blue, and bomboloni blueberry. Next, set F equal to 3 string which is ideal choice cake, iced tea, lemonade, and cookie. And last is set G equal to 3 string which is black orchid cake, chocolate Oreo smoothie, and mini cupcake. After that, system will display each set price which is set A, B until set G. Next, in module cast choice, we assign answer equal to Y and total K as a 0. We also assign 7 menu using array. After that, system will ask user to input set which is set A until G. If user set input A, the system will display the menu and set price. So, this system choose based on the cast choice. If the condition not A until G, system will display error and user should input set again. After got the correct input, the system will ask to input quantity and then calculate total cake. After that, user need to input answer, and while answer equal to while false, the system will terminate it. For the module membership, system will input member. If member equal to Y, the system will ask the user to input the card and the discount will be given 0.2. And if member equal to N, the discount is 0. Otherwise, system will ask user to input a member card until a correct input. Besides, in module add-on, we assign equal to Y and total add-on as a 0. While answer equal to Y true, the system will ask user to input choice. If choice equal to 1, system will display the menu and add-on price will be given. After that, if choice equal to 1, the system will display no tens and add-on price is equal to 0. Then, system will skip a while loop. If choice is no 1, 2, 3, and 4, the system will ask user to input until got a correct input. After got a correct input, the system will calculate total add-on and ask the user to input. If answer equal to Y false, system will be terminated. In module take option, the system will ask user to input option. If option equal to 1, charge will be 2. If option equal to 2, charge will be 0. Otherwise, system will display error and ask user to input option again. In module total, we assign service charge equal to 4, sum price equal to 0, and after discount equal to 0. Then we calculate after discount and sum price. After that, the value of sum price will return into the main. Module receipt. In this module, we just display name, num food, total cake, total add-on, discount, charge, service charge, and sum price.
4.2 project. In main module, we assign name as 100 character and answer as Y. Then we assign total cake, total add-on, sum price and cost as 0, where answer equal to Y true. System will call login module. After that, system will call module cost choice, module membership, module add-on, module take option, module cost info, module total, and lastly module receipt. After that, system will ask user to input answer. And then system will be calculate customer equal to cost plus 1. After that, system will check the condition. If answer equal to Y false, system will be terminated. For the module login, system will receive value of cost. After that, system will display welcome to Datos Bakery and our member name. After that, system will display value of cost. For the module menu, we assign 7 set using array. And then system will display each of set price, and then system will display line by line about our menu. This process we do same for the set A, B, C, D, E, F, G. For the cost choice, we assign answer as Y and total K as 0. Where answer equal to Y true, system we assign Q to Y as 0. And then we assign 7 menu using array. And then system will do call the module menu. After that, system will ask user to input set. If set equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, they will display the menu based on customer choice. And if condition not A, B, C, D, or G, E, F, G, system will display error and ask user to input again set. After got correct input, system will ask user to input quantity and then will calculate total cap. After that, user need to input answer. While answer equal to Y false, system will be terminated. And then in this module, will be written total cake into the main. For the module membership, system will do input a number, and then system will check the condition if member equal to Y or member equal to N or otherwise. If member equal to Y, system will ask user to input a card and discount will be given 0.2. If a member equal to N, user discount will be 0. Otherwise, system will ask user to input a member until got correct input. This module will return discount value. For the module add-on, we assign answer as Y and total add-on as 0. When answer equal to Y true, system will do input choice. If choice equal to 1, 2, or 3, system will display the menu and add-on price will be given a value. After that, if choice equal to 4, system will display no, thanks, and then add-on price will be equal to 0. And then system will skip the while loop. If choice not equal 1, 2, 3, or 4, system will ask user to input again until got correct input. After got correct input, system will calculate total add-on and ask user to input answer again. If answer equal to Y false, system will be terminated. For the option, system will do input option and then will check the condition if option equal to 1 or option equal to 2 or otherwise. If option equal to 1, charge will be 2. If option equal to 2, charge will be 0. Otherwise, system will display error and ask user to input again option until got correct input. And then the value of charge will be written into the main. For the module choice, we will need to input name and noun font. After that, name and noun font will be written into the main. Next, module total. In this module, we assign service charge into the 4 and sum price after discount as 0. And then we calculate after discount and sum price. After that, the value of sum price will be written into the main. Next, the last is module receipt. In this module, we just display all the name, noun font, total cake, total add-on, discount, and display service charge RM4, charge, and lastly, sum price.
Next, 5.1 Objective. In this project, we have fulfilled various objectives. First, apply the uses of selection structure if, else, and control structure while, for, do while that have been learning in this semester. Second, apply function by dividing programs to a few modules and maximize its uses into a system created for a plausible real-life scenario. Third, illustration of input, process, and output IPO table that help to clearly identify the problem before developing an algorithm. Lastly is recognize some errors that appear while creating the system and improve on those parts for a better system. Next, 6.0 additional problem. We choose problem 1. In this problem, write the algorithm that prompts the user the to enter 20 numbers and compute the mean and standard deviation of these numbers using the following formulas. Okay, if you can see, this is formula for mean and this is formula for standard deviation.
See how we solve this problem to the pseudocode that we wrote. Here we assign sum with 0, and we add an array num which we assign 20 indexes in, and then we use a for loop so that we can store this input into the array. I here represent the indexes, so the numbers will be stored according to the order the users chose to input their numbers in. And through the loop, we will calculate the sum by adding sum with the input. When we're out of the body loop, the sum will be divided by 20 so that we can get mean, and mean will be displayed. Sum def or sum of deviation and deviation will be assigned to 0. And here we will use another for loop so that we can use this array, so that we can run through the whole input to every of this operation. So each number will go through deviation, the calculation to deviation, the calculation to square def, and to calculate sum def. And then when the condition proved to be false, standard def will be calculated by dividing sum def with 19 and use square root the numbers. And then the standard def will be displayed, and that's how we get the standard deviation.
6.2 problem 2. For problem, we choose question 4. In this question, we need to read a specific number and determine is positive or negative without counting 0. And then after user input 0, system will calculate average based on value of user input.
Usually for chat, I will explain about problem 2. We assign positive, negative, and count as a 0, average and total as a 0.00. When user input a number, when number not equal to 0, if true, it will go to the next step. When number greater than 0, positive. If true, positive will plus 1. If false, negative will plus 1. And then it will calculate total plus number. And then it will calculate count plus 1. And then system will ask user to input another number. When number not equal to 0 is true, it will repeat the same process. False, it will calculate the average, total, divide the count. And then it will display positive, negative, total, and average. Nowadays, many people are more likely to buy from online shopping than coming to the store. Therefore, we will be improving for our future work with rating online system. With this, it can bring many benefits for us and our customer. One of the advantage, it is more comfortable and convenient. Also, it is more save your time and cost.
As it is, our system is heavily relying on buying food instead. While this certainly helps in increasing our shop's efficiency, it doesn't allow much flexibility for customers' orders. For example, our present system doesn't allow them to order a single cake or just a smoothie. With this addition, they can also swap their sets with. For example, they want to exchange kiwi smoothie with a blueberry smoothie. That will become possible in the future. So with this adjustment, customer will feel more satisfaction towards our menu and will encourage them to come again.
That's the end of our presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.